Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to remove Pinterest profile picture. So launch Pinterest application first of all, then go to the option of saved at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now at the top left corner of your screen, you can see a small circle icon with your profile picture on it. Tap on it. Now from here, tap on the option of view profile under your Pinterest account's name. Now from here, just tap on the option of Edit Profile. Now under your profile picture, if you tap on the option of Edit, you won't see the option to remove your profile picture. However, you can take a photo or pick a new photo from your camera roll. So if you wish to remove this profile picture, you can just go to Take a Photo and then take a blank snap like this and use this photo as your Pinterest DP. Or else you can go to any of the web browsers on your mobile device and then search for default profile pictures for your Pinterest account as it was before you added a profile picture to your Pinterest account. So this is it for today, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.